Can you read those?
I don't know. I.
What does I sound like?
It.
Okay, what letter is this?
L O U.
Mommy didn't spell it right. T? That sounds a T.
T.
Do you know what T sounds like? So let's try to sound it out.
Ed. Ed.
Rain,
T.
give us a minute.
It.
It. Good job. You just read it.
Like it is.
Yeah, like it is. What about this word?
In. On.
Good job.
Yeah.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's this word? That's a U. Do you remember what U sounds like? What is it?
I don't know.
Up. Good job.
Good job, I wanted to draw.
You're about to draw your name. Or write your name.